morning. Thank you for calling Sunrise Hotel. This is Angelica. How may I assist you today?
Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for next weekend.
Certainly, ma'am. May I have your full name, preferred dates of stay, and journey time?
Yes, Erica Bual. I'll be staying from September 23 to 25, and I'd like a deluxe room, please.
Thank you, Miss Wang. Just to confirm, one deluxe room for 2 nights, September 23 to 25, under Erica S. Bual. May I have your contact number for confirmation, please?
It's 9612181.
Sir, 917-456-7890. Perfect. Your booking is now confirmed. We look forward to welcoming you soon. Have a wonderful day.
Morning, welcome to Sunrise Hotel.
How may I assist you today?
Good morning, we have a reservation under Erica Bual.
Of course, Miss Buay. Please give me a moment to check your reservation.
Check-in is being prepared. Allow me to share some hotel information. Breakfast is served at our ground floor restaurant from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. The fitness center is open for 24 hours and check-out time is 12 noon. If you need an assistance, be it transportation and local tourists, please let me know. Ma'am, have a nice day. Thank you so much.
Allow me to assist you with your luggage.
Thank you. That's very nice.
Hi, ma'am. Have a seat, please. So, for your check-in process, may I kindly have your ID? Thank you. So, your deluxe room is ready. Please sign this for registration.
Good morning. Welcome to Sunrise Hotel, Miss Buwan and Miss Gonzalez. If there's anything you need, don't hesitate to approach me or any of our team members. Your comfort is our top priority.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, ma'am. It's Radius at SW.
Here we are, your room 50. Thank you for choosing Sunrise Hotel, and we wish you a pleasant stay.